Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here. I'm here with Haq Unboxings.
What are you saying?
He helped us on the SVR project, the Jaguar XF project, as you can see.
XE.
That's it. Sorry, lad.
Sorry. What we're saying.
So we sorted that one out. We sorted the SVR out. We sold the SVR. We sold it and bought a house with it. Why not? Because his dad needs a house in it. Okay.
Shut the fuck up.
All right. Okay, so today we're going to be showing you how to change the RCD510. This ain't the 510. Oh yeah, it is for 510. Is it? Yeah, it is.
You tell me.
Basically, this RCD510 is this one. RNS510 is the exact same one, but with navigation. So yeah, if you have the RCD3 whatever blah blah blah, basically any in the MK6 Golf, we show you how to change that. So basically, you want to get this trim off first. You just use the tools, the orange tools, these trim tools. I mean, there's 4 clips, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. That's it. Two each corner basically.
We'd
so you just pull them out.
Using these
use the flat ones. They're a lot easier.
best ones.
And yeah, it's just metal clips there. So as soon as that's out, all that's left is you have to have. Oh wait, let's turn the system off first. We don't want to get electrocuted.
I do.
All right. So what we're going to be changing it to is the RCD330 with the Android Auto built in. So it's Android Auto. The new one has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Mirror Link, and it has. Basically, I'm mainly changing this because I don't have any maps or anything, and this only has aux. There's literally nothing else to the screen, and CD. But yeah, it's got no Bluetooth because the person who sold the car stole the module and I didn't even know the module was under the seat. So yeah, there's no Bluetooth, but the new one has it built in the actual system like this, like it's built in this. So that's really good, isn't it? So RCD330, which is basically the MIB, the new MIB, whatever it's called, in the new Volkswagens, but it's a Chinese import. It's come out, basically it's original parts, but it's come out from Chinese vehicles of the Volkswagen. So yeah, you're getting a good discount on that, massive discount. Exact same system, it even has a mic in it. I'll show you now when I get it out. So yeah, why does it not go off? There you go. Also guys, if you have a MK6, then you'll have no power draining problems. If you have a MK5 or below, you have to get a CAN bus gateway thing. That will stop your power from draining while it's off, because it does take a current. But this one, because it's a MK6, it has a system built in that stops it from happening. So yeah, I'll show you the new system now before we take this old one out. Hi guys, so this is the new system. As you can see, it's got radio, media, phone, app, setup, everything. So it's a Chinese model, but it's sick. You got the USB there, aux. You got an extra aux port there. So if this aux breaks, you got that aux, a spare, I guess. It's got Bluetooth built in.
I feel like that's going to tinker with one of the aux, but it's fine anyways.
Who fuck knows. Basically, I have a slight dilemma, which is this is bent. All the rest are fine, it's just this one corner is bent. If it goes in fine, then it'll be alright. I don't really need to secure it. If it secures, then that's even better. But if it doesn't, I'm just one bolt loose. It's not going to be much of an issue. As long as everything fits together, it'll be alright. And basically, this car has a reverse camera, so it's not going to work with this because I have the OEM camera, which is a Volkswagen one. The built-in one which comes out the boot lid. So basically it won't work with this, so I've ordered a adapter for that. You have to get an RGB to something adapter, and basically because it's a low line one, low line camera is basically where you have the static lines. The lines don't move when you reverse and turn. That's why you need this adapter for it, because this won't work with it, because this is a new system, 2019 system, 2018 system, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we're gonna take the old one out now. And basically how you do that is there's 4 Torx screws, T20. You can also use the bigger one, just in case, because we've been doing that. So yeah, so you do that, and basically there's connector on here. Let me just show you. You just take the old connector, put it onto the new one. That's all you literally have to do. And this one you get an adapter for it, because this one only has one. The other one, my old one, has two connectors. One's for the DAB, one's for the radio.
DAB, bro.
DAB is just basically text audio. Like it gives you all the information of the radio channels and shit. It's not really necessary, but yeah, they give you that adapter for you for free, so that's nice of them. It's in here somewhere. There you go. And they give you a reverse camera thing as well. Let me just get them out, because we will need them. I'll show you how to set them up. Reverse camera one I won't need, because I've ordered a kit for that. This is only if you have the new, if you have a Chinese model one, or you put your own camera in afterwards. It won't work with Volkswagen's own system. But yeah, as you can see, there's 2 connectors there, and yeah, the one end goes in this We're going to take the old one out and then put the new one in and show you what it looks like.
One pull now.
We'll both do it. Alright guys, so to pull this out, just grab it by the corners and then pull it. It's a lot easier with the 2 hands. Get it around the corner. Push it. Okay. I might pause the video because we can't do it with one finger, can I? So yeah, you need a full hand to do it. So that's what you're going to have to do.
Got it?
Alright, it's pulling out now. Slowly, just pull it out. There you go. It's a bit of a fiddle to get out, especially if you put it back in afterwards.
So what you gotta do is basically...
So as you can see, look at the size difference, guys. From fat as fuck. But this is because it has a 6 CD changer in there.
So the issue that you'll probably catch is with this. You'll catch with that.
Which this has that as well, but yeah.
So
and I just noticed that screen's a lot smaller. This one's miles bigger.
Yeah.
So that's really nice, and I like the trim accents.
That's your top.
Okay, so you want to disconnect it.
Wiring.
I don't know what this cable is though. I've never seen it before in my life.
It's antenna, isn't it?
No, it'll see there. It'll see on the wire. Basically, there's this wire here. I don't know what the hell that is. Like all the rest makes sense to me. The reverse camera one's built in that. So I don't know what this wire is, because the power is coming through there as well. So anybody know what that is? Please let me know, because I have no clue. But yeah. And yeah, there's a 2-pin thing that I told you about before. So I'll show you how to set that up. Let me just unplug everything for now.
Do it on video.
Oh guys, let me unplug this first. Wait, no, we'll unplug these wires first. So basically, there's a clip at the bottom. Press it down. Alright guys, we've got 2 of the cables out. This one you have to lift this up and it literally just comes out the white tab. This you have to pull it down like that, push it up, and then that comes out as well. You just wiggle it out. And then that one's the same, you have to lift that thing up and it comes out. This is the bottom thing you will lift up. It's tabbed in at the moment. Hold on. 1 second, I can't see it. There it is. So you want to press down, lift up. You have to be careful because there's a lot of wires. Lift up like that and then it's out, and then you pull out. There's your thing. And the old system has a 10-volt fuse, as you can see. The new system has a 15-volt fuse there, but that's a new system.
If you want, just take that out. You can use it as a box.
What the hell is this? Anybody know? I don't know myself, because the new one don't have it. So basically, what you want to do now is clean up the inside if yours is dirty, but ours is fine because nobody's used.
Basically, you want to throw this one in the bin.
No, that's worth more than the new one, guys. I don't know why.
Oh, it's mad. It's made by Black Punked.
Oh,
have you seen
God.
it? They're the ones with the TV shit.
Yeah, and this was made ages ago. This was 2009 or something.
Mad.
So this one goes back in the same way as it came out.
They're on the way.
Same with this shit. Apart from this one, I don't know what you do with this one, because this one, I don't know what it does. I don't know what it is, guys. Anyone knows what it is, please let me know. It might be to do with my heated seats, like it might come on screen, something like that. So yeah, for the moment I'll show you how to set this up. So what you do is get the cable, the 2-pin thing, and then you plug in this side into here. Just hold it up, please. Thank you, sir. So you want to plug in like that. There you go. That's nice and secure.
Basically,
and then the new one, basically, because it's one end, you just plug that in as well. We'll do that in a second. We're just going to sort out all the wiring. We'll just show you how to do it. Alright, so you just literally put it back in, push it in, and then close like that. Tightened up, right? I say we're going to try out the reverse camera because it might work. Who knows? It might be a miracle and it might work. And there's your adapter. Literally just push it back in how it came out with the old one. Just push the wires in, there you go. And then put it into place. Lift it up. There. It should sit up.
There you go. Basically perfect to Monday.
Even that corner that we were worried about, it fits it. Like it's not an issue.
Seems to have fitted perfectly in my opinion.
That's a perfect fit, guys. I think we should be able to start it up right now. Oh shit, guys, look at that.
Geez.
That's the new system, guys. And it's already gone onto radio. Wow, look at that. Nice media.
That was cool. Oh,
alright.
No way. What apps have you got?
There you go. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink.
Where's my Netflix, man?
That's with MirrorLink.
Phone, obviously, switch on Bluetooth.
Yeah, Bluetooth is built in. You got the mic as well now. I'll do all the setup later. Oh, fuck. I was going to sort out the settings before.
Is that your microphone?
So as you can see, we have the aux plugged in right now. So it's already found the aux. That's with this one. So that is still functional. So you don't have to use that one. That's just there. Extra, I guess. It's just there if you didn't have it. So that's alright. So yeah, I'll show you the beauty of the screen. Oh,
that's all.
Wait. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to switch on the car. So it should go off at the moment. when I find the keys, which is down here. I'm going to switch on the car and put it into reverse. Let's see if the... Guys, as you can see, we got the park pilot, but we've got no camera. Because we need to put the sensor on, that's it. But it's working though, everything's working. So yeah, that's done, guys. So yeah, press X. You need to take the screen protector off. When it just turns on, it's on a... When you know it's news, it goes to o'clock. Alright guys, he's going to go get his system. The thing I mean. So yeah, basically, when you're done with all this, you put this back on. I'm not going to put it back on for now because I'm planning to get the reverse camera shit in. So I need to get my reverse camera working with it. So I might do an update on that. It's just an RGB cable. You just have to splice into your old cable link. So yeah, that's all you have to do literally. But the systems are really good. All you have to do now is put the 4 screws back in, put the cover back on, and you're done. And yeah, you can charge with this now. You can use your phone, CarPlay and all that, Apple CarPlay. We'll give you a demonstration of that quickly. You got the temperature there, time, source here. You can go to Bluetooth now, because this has got Bluetooth built in now. You got the USB and shit. Alright, we're going to show you Apple CarPlay now. Let's go to app.
The boss has entered.
Come on, man.
Sorry, bro.
Fucking hell. Bloody shit people in this country. Alright guys, come on teams. Come on teams. Alright, it's plugging in now. That's a bit loose in it. Oh, it's a magic cable. Is that right? It's alright, innit?
It's fine.
Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay. New device. Do you want to connect? Yes.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Let's see.
Allow,
allow you, dickhead. Look at that, guys. Fucking hell.
Jeez.
That's wait, let me take the screen protector off. It's not even necessary. Wow, look at nice eyes. That is sexy, guys.
That's an ad.
Look, and then it goes onto your audio and shit. And you can get your maps on there. It tells you your 4G signal, everything. If a call comes up, it'll come up there. Wait, I want to see if I can control it with this. Oh my god, I can control it with my steering wheel. I didn't have to do any programming. Can I change the song? I can change the fucking songs now.
Oi, don't do that.
Before I couldn't change the songs, guys. Now I can. I'm fucking happy now. I'm happy. And now we got voice rec. I think that will go to Siri, won't it? Let me try. Does that mute it still?
Yeah.
Oh no, that pauses us. Oh, the copyright, so I'm gonna have to mute out the music. So sorry about that, you can't hear what the music sounds like, but it sounds decent. So yeah, it looks pretty good right now. This is the Apple version. Android is pretty much different. It looks pretty nice though, Android version. So yeah, that's sorted.
You've got your home button here as well on my phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, just don't pre my messages, man. Don't open. Oi, look how perfect it is. 69.
69. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. That's gonna be my thumbnail probably, or something like that. Let's see. No, I'll get something like that. So yeah, you got everything there now. You can get your phone there. I don't recommend playing on your. I don't recommend using this while you're driving. So yeah, I think you can still switch back. Yeah, you can still switch back to normal shit, and then you just go back to app like that. On the phone, you can connect to a different phone while you're connected to this phone like that, and that's charging the phone right now. So that's really good. Oh shit! Look at that.
Hey,
what does the info do? Oh, well, I'm liking this. Now we got maps. That was the main problem I didn't have, because to change that to it wasn't worth getting the RNS 510, which is the maps, the navigation version, because you still have to pay 100 quid for the maps, and they're not even updated maps because it's 10 years old, so it's pointless. So yeah, this is really good. Only problem I hate is the parking sensors, but we're sorting that out. That'll be done very soon. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.